The world wakes up one way, I wake up another. Before the rush, before the noise, there's this. The crisp morning air catching your breath, and the birds, a private concert, just for the trail. This is rhythm the day should start with. Then a change, a passage, forgotten by most, but it remembers. You feel the temperature drop, the sounds change, the echo of tires on old ground, a ghost of 1,000 journeys before. It's dark for a moment, but the view on the other side is always worth it. Then you see it, the old tunnel, abandoned, forgotten, but still stand. Inside, time stops, the temperature drops, your breath becomes visible, little clouds of life in the darkness. The wall holds stories, decades of footsteps, whispers, secrets, and now you're part of its history. Out of the darkness into Pallion, where it all began, Sunderland's first bridge. Those mighty green steel bars still holding strong. Cars rushing overhead, don't know what's beneath them. The history, the engineering. While they race to meetings, you're touching the bones of the city. Up there, stress, deadlines, the daily grinding beginning. Down here, just the rhythm of pedals turning. They chose speed, you chose presence. They're already tired, you're just waking up. This trail isn't just a shortcut, it's a completely different life. Soon you'll join them, but not yet. For now, you own this morning, the birds singing just for you. The chill energizes rather than bothers. This bridge has stood for generations, and here you are, creating your own history beneath it, one pedal stroke at a time. This is how mornings should begin.